Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the Occupant Sensor fuse, also known as Occupant Classification Module fuse and relay on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. Now consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Why? Because it's part of the airbag system, so you have to be qualified and certified to work on airbag system. Even just checking airbag fuses, otherwise you can cause the system to malfunction, which can cause injury or death as well. Now, this video is for entertaining purposes only, not a how-to video. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share, guys, the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The Occupant Classification Module or Occupant Sensor fuses and relays. Let's demonstrate on that generation Jeep Cherokee where you can find them. But before we start, quick advice, guys. Most owners do not know about the hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money and trouble. We need to open the hood. Lucky for us. Why? Because we'll be working in a fuse box that's very easy to get to, and most people know about that fuse box. That's your engine. On the right side of the engine, that's the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. You see these tabs, press them together and lift the cover up. Underneath we're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here, guys, we need to check one fuse where it's located, and we'll talk about the relay function. Now, specifically, guys, that fuse, if you come in this row of fuses, this is towards the windshield side. That's the front of the vehicle, passenger side, driver side here. Now, that fuse right here, you see, that's fuse 58. That's the one that you will, guys, need to check for the occupant sensor. You don't have any relays, we will recommend to also see if your airbag module fuses and relays are good too. We'll have the video on the channel, but again, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.